Hi, hello, how are you? So another video for you beautiful lot today. Just a really simple set with some stamping on afterwards. So I've removed her previous design and all that jazz. And I'm just coming in on this thumb with Bubblegum. Super bright, like it doesn't even pick it up on camera. It's so neon, it's gorgeous. So just placing a thin layer of this on, and then I'm going to cap that in crystal glass. Hope you're all enjoying this sunshine. Beautiful day today. So yeah, just capping this because Bubblegum is a design powder, so it's not strong enough to be used alone. So as you can see, I'm always tilting my client's finger down so that I don't get flooding in the cuticle. And this nail is a full nail of Barbie. Is it Barbie or is it Barbie Girl? Let me have a look. I never know actually. Oh, it's Barbie Girl. And it is literally Barbie pink. Again, another design powder, so it needs a capping in clear. Now these two fingers are going to be ombres. So this one is ultraviolet. Now this one is a strength powder, but because I'm ombre and I will be capping. And then over the top of that with the stunning Slush Fairy. I'm just going to add another bead of that over that join line. These don't need to be perfect because I'm stamping over the top of these anyway. Lime Splash Ombre. I adore this colour so much. It's so fun and just nice. And then Pinky is a full nail of Heatwave. Again, Heatwave is a strength powder, so it doesn't need capping either. I just love that look when you've just patted it down. It's so glossy and smooth. So satisfying. Gonna add another bit, make sure I've got enough apex and enough on the free edge. So I've filed and shaped, and I'm just coming in with some stamps. This stamping plate is just one from Beauty Big Bang, I think. And as always, my clear jelly stamper, my Big Bling clear jelly stamper, and I use their stamping polishes as well. They're literally the best. So as you can see there, I pick the stamp up, and if there's a bit of another image of it, I'll just see my thumb there, I'll just take it off with my nail so it doesn't transfer. And the trick to stamping with these, with the clear jelly one, I've found, is pop your polish on, scrape once, and then literally you just flick the stamper over the top of it. Just flick it over really quickly. You don't want to be pushing down to pick it up because it won't pick up that way. And then just press down firmly on the nail. So I'm going to use this star shape for the thumb. So literally scrape, flick the roller over it like that, the stamper over it, and that's, take off the excess. I just use my finger. Some people use tape, but it's just easier for me. I don't mind ruining my own nails. And then just straight down onto the nail. Literally, it's as quick as that. I don't have any trouble at all with this Big Bling stamper, and the CJS polishes as well. They're so pigmented. They're brilliant. Really, really good. So I always just clean my plate up afterwards with acetone, and then I use a lint roller to clean my clear jelly head. So then just going to top coat these. I will top coat twice. So first layer for 30 seconds, then in with another layer for 60 seconds. And then yeah, that's it. So just a super quick, easy set. I just love how the black looks against the neon colours. Really, really, really nice. So once they've cured, I'll just come in, go around and clean up with a wipe. And that's it, I'm done. So thanks so much for joining me again, and I'll see you all again soon. Love you all, bye.